field trip ends in tragedy today as a school bus full of children from Little Magnolia School drives off the side of a bridge. I'm here live where rescuers are retrieving the bodies inside the bus. The said bus was hired by Little Magnolia School administrators for the school's field trip. The bus was said to be heading south and the driver lost control.
Dito sa bayan ng San Jose, hindi natin lubusang maisip na napakaraming batang na aksidente.
Leonora? Leonora?
Patay na po.